Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch a sunfish in Abyss Roblox. So a sunfish is one of the creature inside the spirit roots, and I'm going to show you how you can catch it. So in here I'm using the wasted gun, and this is how you can spot this sunfish. You can use your radar, enable it, and this is the sunfish. You can see the blood might be different because it depends on the weight. I think I'm going to just catch this one. Use your gun and shoot the fish until you successfully catch it. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.